All right, eighth grade, here is your next installment in Clincher Sentences. All right, we are going to start in with some clincher sentences. Now, last week we talked, or last couple of weeks, we've talked about the topic sentences, the detailed sentences. Now we've got to highlight the clincher sentence. The clincher sentence, a lot of times, is called a conclusion sentence. It wraps up your paragraph. So, looking at paragraph one, I'm going to do a lot of highlighting in paragraph one. If it makes it easier for you, do so. If you don't need to do it, don't worry about it. So when I look at paragraph one, it says most soft drinks are made of soda water, sugar, and flavoring. I'm going to highlight that. That is my topic sentence. Now, to get more specific, it is a specific topic sentence because it mentions soda, water, sugar, and flavorings. It's listed out. So my next sentence, in 1772, the first water was made in England, although soda water didn't become popular until after the 1830s. That is a detailed sentence. It gives me information about soda. Each 8-ounce glass of soft drink contains 8 teaspoons of sugar, and soft drinks can include lemon, cherry, grape, and lime flavorings. So that's my second item in my list. I talked about soda water, sugar, and flavorings. It says now the average American drinks 500 8-ounce glasses of soft drink per year, according to the Department of Agriculture. That is another detailed sentence. It's one that's called a follow-up. So, our last sentence, as can be seen, soda water is a very popular drink in America today. That is my clincher sentence. It wraps up the paragraph. Most of the time, not all, most of the time, your clincher sentence is going to be the last sentence in a paragraph. So, let's look at paragraph number 2 together. It says people train for at least 4 years before they can become certified as teachers. That is the topic sentence. Our paragraph is going to be about becoming certified as teachers. The next sentence, most importantly in their classes, they learn how to teach students. Notice we have the transition, most importantly. In their class, they learn how to teach students. Then we go to next in importance. They must learn their subject matter so they can transfer that knowledge to their students. That's another detail. Finally, they must know how to construct, grade papers, test, and lead class discussion. That is a detail. So our last sentence, thus becoming a teacher takes determination, lots of hard work, and many years of training. That is our clincher or conclusion sentence. Remember, I highlighted all of my sentences in different colors. You don't have to do that. It just makes it easier. What I'm looking for is that you have highlighted somehow the clincher sentence in the paragraph. You're going to finish this page and do the rest. When you are completely finished, you are going to submit to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun.